everybody, greetings from Edmonds, Washington, about 20 minutes north of Seattle. Okay, this is an exercise / performance piece that's called Riveter. Riveter starts off in 12/8, has a 12 count accelerando, and ends in 4/4. Now the accelerando is 12 counts, as mentioned earlier, and it has a rim shot on 12 and. Now inside every count are 6 strokes or 6 notes. So what happens is it starts off as a quarter note triplet ending in a quarter note sextuplet, but again with 6 strokes or notes for every count. So if you put a pulse on it, it would come out like this. Okay? Now you want to reach maximum velocity at count 10, so you'll have 2 counts of sextuplets at the same speed. So, without any ado, let's do Riveter. There you are, Riveter. Enjoy it, have fun with it. Miles says hi too, my cat.